How's it going, guys? My name's Adam, and in today's video we're going to be doing a camera test on the iPhone 14 Plus. Let's get started with this video. I'm recording 4K 60 FPS on the front-facing camera, and it looks pretty good. I really like the colors. I really like the amount of detail. I like that there's autofocus on the front-facing camera. That is something that a lot of other phone manufacturers do not have, or even 4K video recording, especially 4K 60 FPS video recording, that is for sure. You can actually see from my face to the background there is a bit of blur, and it's actually a really nice thing to have. It makes for it looking like a more professional camera, which I like a lot. Now, I'm recording right now this in California, and it is currently 109 degrees. It is really hot, but either way, I'm still gonna do a video, so here we go. And here is 4K 60 FPS on the main camera. You can see it has pretty good stabilization. The colors look amazing, and the level of detail is extremely high. So let's zoom in on this main camera and see if it retains its detail. It's going to, basically, this is 2 times right here, and it does have some over sharpening, but the colors still look pretty great. So now we're gonna switch over to the ultra-wide camera, which you cannot do between the main camera and the ultra-wide. Like, you can't switch it while you're recording, but you can do 4K 60 FPS on the ultra-wide. So I'm gonna switch that right now. So here we go. We have 4K 60 FPS video recording on the ultra-wide camera, and this does look pretty good. This looks pretty good. I believe there's autofocus on this as well. So let's try to go close to some stuff. See, that looks pretty great, honestly. Looks very good. The colors, once again, are very similar to the main camera, and it honestly looks really good. The amount of detail, let's try to zoom in actually from the ultra wide to, interesting. So now you can switch from the ultra wide to the main, but I think it's just a crop. So yeah, you can only zoom to 1.5 times. So this is how much detail is on the ultra wide. Actually, this will kind of show it. So this is 0.5 times. Let's go to about 0.8 and see how that is. You can see the level of detail is definitely degraded, but it isn't terrible. Now let's go to 1 times, and you can see definitely starting to degrade in the 1.5 times. But honestly, that's pretty good. Like, for looking for the ultra wide, I'm pretty impressed. All right, now it's time for cinematic mode on the front-facing camera. 4K 30 FPS. There's no 60 FPS recording. But to be fair, most cinematic films are shot in 24 FPS, so there you go. But this is what it looks like. It looks pretty real. There is a bit of, it definitely looks a bit fake, especially on the sides of my head right there, or where my hair is. But honestly, it doesn't look bad, so I'm pretty impressed. Now we are on the main camera. Let's try to focus in on something. Wow, that looks really good. Let's go back to there. You could switch points. Oh man, that looks amazing. And look at that. It doesn't look the most real, but it definitely looks really good. So yeah, that was basically a very quick video test on the iPhone 11 Plus. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.